Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to customize Zoho CRM to suit your business needs. Customization enhances usability and makes CRM works better for you. So, let's get started. The first step is to access the customization settings. And to do that, you have to log into your Zoho CRM. To do so, just go to crm.zoho.com, and once the website appears, enter your account credentials and log in. It's very easy. Now, as I'm already logged in, I'm directed to my dashboard. From here, we're gonna go to settings. It's right here on the gear icon menu, setup, and then we're gonna go to the customization section right here. The next step is to customize models and fields. Under the models and fields, edit existing models or create new ones. Let's go to models and fields. We can modify its field. We can modify its layout. We can modify its button, etc. Let's click on some here. Let's click on it, and we can edit the layouts and the informations, etc., the buttons, etc. And you can add a name field like drop downs, dates, or checkboxes to match your workflow. Now for the third step is to set layout rules and automation. Define layout rules to show or hide fields dynamically. Use automation tools like workflows or Blueprint to streamline processes. And that's how you customize Zoho CRM. It's quick and helps align the system with your business. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.